All right. Hey everyone. I hope everyone's doing well and everyone had a nice weekend and we are refreshed for the new week ahead. So, welcome to another live pre-New York analysis video. I'm looking at three pairs at the moment as we come to the end of the London trading session, getting ready for the New York trading session. So, if we start with GBP USD, from a general bias point of view, I'm looking at bearish for the New York trading session. I've got a few targets here. I'm looking at the Asian lows and I'm also looking at the opening week price point. We've got these similar lows here on GBP USD. So the game plan on this one is if we get bearish confirmation price action, for example, if we break below this price level of 1.355, that could be a potential opportunity for a short if price was to retrace back into here and then continue on towards the downside. Also, if I put on the 4-hour chart, this previous 4-hour candle close, even though it's a bullish body, we close with a very long top wick, which for me is an indication of a liquidity sweep. So as we get into New York in a few hours, it'll be interesting to see what price does for the session. We could have a potential setup to start off the week with. On NQ, so the US indices, on NQ US 100, I'm looking at bearish. During the London trading session, we traded bullish, trading above the previous day's highs. And when I look at sell side targets, I can see we've got the Asian range low. Asian range was fairly decent. It was nice and sideways. So to me, that is good. Seeing liquidity on both sides of the market. So same again on this one. If in the New York trading session, say we get a sweep off these London highs and then we start seeing bearish price action, breaking towards the downside, could see a good opportunity for price to go maybe towards the Asian lows at 30,100 and even potentially lower, but I'm not too sure about that, as last week Friday we traded back into 30,000 flat where we had a 4-hour fair value gap and price reacted off bullish from here. So again, I'll be taking this pair with a grain of salt today, as we are still in a fairly bullish phase here on US 100. On US 30, so the Dow Jones, a slightly opposite bias on here. I'm looking at bullish. During the London trading session, we traded towards the downside, trading below the previous week's low. We've got this bullish type of leg to work with. Here at the top is, if I put the indicator on, it's the Asian highs from last week Friday. And Asian highs was a tight range. It wasn't really perfectly sideways. London was bearish, New York was bearish, and today what I'm expecting is bullish of for price to trade towards these Asian highs. Maybe you got equal highs, so it looks like a good target for price to go towards, but I'll be waiting for price action to look something like this. Say we break towards London lows and we start seeing bullish price action. I'll be looking for confirmations to take an opportunity to trade towards the top side. First target being these Asian highs, and then potentially, if the volume looks good, could even hold it up to Friday's Asian high session. So yeah, we've got some interesting targets here on the markets today for our Monday. Let's see how it goes. I'll be live streaming in my Discord, so the Wolfpack zone for the New York trading session at around 2 p.m. UK time. If you'd like to join me for that, all the links are below in the description. Otherwise, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for another pre-New York live market analysis. Take care, everybody, and I hope everyone has a good day.